Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a student discount on Etihad Airways. So the only way on how to get it is from a student bins. So this is external. It is not in the Etihad Airways website. So go to studentbins.com, and then once you're here, search for Etihad Airways. Wait for it to load, and then you will see the Etihad Airways up to 10% student discount. Click on it. And then once you're here, scroll down and you will see this up to 10% discount. And then click on conditions. And then it will tell you that there will be verification. And then you will need to contact the external provider if you have any issues. And then, of course, the full terms apply. So basically, all you have to do is to register with student bins. Once you register, fill out the forms required in order for them to verify you as a student. And then once you're done here, just go back here and then click continue to Etihad Airways. And basically, it will automatically apply that discount to your Etihad Airways account.